I'm very careful about what Max eats, so I don't switch his food easily. That's when I came across Blep, and the ingredient list genuinely caught my attention. It's 100% natural with zero preservatives, fillers, or byproducts. Just clearly named meat, veggies, and nothing that doesn't belong in Max's bowl. And the best part, Max genuinely enjoys every bite with zero complaints and happy chomps. If your pet cleans his bowl like this, you know you've done something right. Thank you so much, Blep, for helping me make a conscious choice for my pet Max.